Hey, it's me, Daryl. I'm in the bike room today. I got a quick little project here. Donna likes to feed the birds, and we have a bird feeder set up in the back. I made a bird feeder, a 3D printed a piece that fits on a 1 or 2 liter bottle. 1 liter bottles seem to be getting emptied way too fast. I went out and got a 2 liter bottle, and we're going to make a hood on it so water doesn't run down this into the tray where the birds eat. So I'm going to hot glue this onto the cover I made. I'm going to screw it on, and then we will get this done. So I made this little cover for it, and the first thing I need to do is drill a hole in the middle to put on this eye bolt, which I need to cut that off. Okay, get it back to where I can see the threads. I believe it's 1/4 20, so let me go get a nut, a couple of nuts. Where'd my batteries go? There it is. All right. So if I set it on here and I put this drill bit in here, perfect. I wanted a little snug so I can screw it in there. But first, I want to put this nut on. The goal is to see as if this will fit all the way in here through this and into the bottom of the bottle. If it does, I won't have to drill 5 holes in there. And it will. So now I need to drill a hole in the bottom of this. This will be a lot funner. Well, that'll be more fun, I should say. Let's try going here. Bigger. I need to take it off of here again so I can see. All right. Yes, you get it the right size. Okay, cool. So now what I want to do is I want to thread this. First off, I want to take and put a O-ring on here. Okay, then we're going to thread this back into here. Let's get this out of the way. The fun part's going to be getting the nut on the end of this inside there. All right, it should be enough to where I can thread it onto here now. Fun part's going to be is getting a nut down in there. Let me go see if I got a way to do that. All right, I think I found something long enough to reach up in there. Yes, barely. So now I need to reach up in here with this and get it started on that nut. And so you can see it's in there. All right, so now I need to take this, spin it down to where it touches the bottle, All right, then while holding this thing, I gotta push the O-ring down, get this nut down, and then I gotta find a wrench. I'm just gonna use a crescent wrench to tighten this up. And there we have it. Bird feeder. Now, let me get all this put away. Okay, so since this thing is going to be swinging on a deal, I'm sure those bolts could come loose. So what I want to do is I want to ensure that it won't by putting some hot glue on the corners of these bottles to keep it from swinging in the wind and opening up. Find something to sit this in that's big enough. There we go. Nope, not tall enough. Not tall enough. Need something really tall. That'll work. So let's get this plugged in, get it heating up. So it takes this a while to heat up because this is a very much older style glue gun. Once it does though, I can glue these in and that should stop it from doing anything. I also want to see if I can drop a glue on that nut inside just to keep it from turning off. There we go. All right, let's see if we can get one drop on that thing. So with that done, the only thing left to do, I 3D printed a funnel that will spin onto this thing for filling. Like that, and when we're done filling it, we take this and we screw that on up there, and we turn it upside down like that, and we have a bird feeder. And with this one, we're going to have 2 liters capacity instead of 1, because the 1 liter apparently is just, they're going through that in like 2 days. All right, let me get this cleaned up and we will fill it up with bird seed and we will take it out and put it in there. All right, we're back. It's been a few minutes. It's all dried up now. It's all solid. It won't turn, it won't twist, and nothing's coming loose. I'm going to fill this thing up and get it ready to go out on the bird feeder stand. Get this out of the way. Okay, she's full. that off. I put this thing on. Let's put this back. And we're going to go out and I'm going to hang this thing. And I'll replace it with replace the 1 liter one with this. So let's see how that works. So I made this stand for Donna a few years ago. And basically I take one of these cables loose. And on this one, it's so light, I actually have to have a hook to pull it down. As you can see, the bird feeder is almost empty. We just did this like 3 days ago. So now I'm going to take it loose. I'm going to hope that the new deal fits in there. If it doesn't, I'm going to be up a creek. Let me get ready. Microphone. And it does. So I just have this thing it's just hanging here by by the little U-bolt thing here. It's got threaded rod on it. You unthread it so that way the squirrels can't knock it off as easily. So I get it here, and then I pull on this cable, and it goes up out of view. And basically, you can see it swinging there, right? I got slinkies on each one of the arms here. This one's needing replaced. It got caught, but I have one to replace it with. So anyway, that is it for this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. I don't have any video on building this thing, and basically it was 2 top posts for, actually 3 top posts for a cyclone fence. I put 2 in the ground with concrete to keep them secure. They're 20 feet long. I think I cut them down to like 18 feet. And then I took another top one with the bars and I put them up there at the top, and I clamped on these pulleys. I had to make everything up as I went along. I basically went to Home Depot, grabbed a bunch of things I thought might work, like fence post this and fence post that, and bolts and nuts and stuff, and I bolted it all together and put the pulleys on her so Donna could do it. Suet one, she has suet feeders here too. Let's see if I can show you the suet feeders. So she has suet feeder there. Then we have that one, her $35 one that the birds seem to like mine better, and another suet feeder there. Anyway, as I said before, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. Thanks for watching.